So now what I need you to do, guys, I need you to go to your mail. Go to your mail. And I need you to click on the math folder that I shared with you through Google Drive and your Google Docs. Okay, open up that math folder. And now you see you need to go to Module 3. You can either click it over here on the left side or you can scroll down, click on Module 3. Alright, so now you see the dates that we've been back from Thanksgiving break right now. The table of contents are in blue. You can click on those and it will take you to your assignment for today. So today's Tuesday, November 27th. So you can click on it and it takes you to today's date and what you're supposed to do. Okay? Alright, we're going to kind of skip number 1 for right now. We're going to go straight to number 2. Is everybody to this point? We're going to watch a video here in a minute. Okay? We're going to watch a video here in a minute, but before we do that, we're going to have to copy this symmetry worksheet that I made for you. Okay? And the reason you're going to have to copy it is because I've shared it with you, but that only allows you to view it. It doesn't allow you to write on it. Okay? So you've got to make a copy of it. So this is what we're going to do. On the left side of your You can't see it on mine because it's not got the whole screen, but on the left side of your screen, it says Symmetry Worksheet. Go ahead and click on that. So Sydney, if you don't mind, click on it for me. Okay, and it looks like this right here. Okay, and we're asking how many lines of symmetry for each figure. Okay, who's on the video? We shouldn't be there. All right, now if you notice up here, it says view only. That means I've shared it with you and you cannot write on this because you can only view it. Okay, now as I said, this is a view only for you. So now we've got to make a copy of it. So you go to File, go down to Make a Copy. And it says Copy of Symmetry Worksheet. We don't want copy of, so take that part off. Alright, now what I want you to do, I want either you put your initials out beside it or your name. So symmetry worksheet, put your initials or your name. This way you know this is your worksheet that you can write on. If it doesn't have your initials or your name, that means it's mine that I shared with you and you can only view it. If you put your initials on it or your name, that means it's yours. It belongs to you. Hit OK. Alright, so now this one is Sydney's. Okay? It doesn't say view only anymore. Alright? And it's got Sydney's name on it. So she can write on this one. So here in a minute, you're going to go watch the video. And then you're going to come back to this worksheet and you're going to answer the question, how many lines of symmetry for each one of these figures? Okay? Now, how are you going to answer on this worksheet? Okay? Sydney, double click on this rectangle here. Okay, now when you double click on it, what popped up? A text box. Now, just for an example, we're going to say how many lines of symmetry does this figure have? We're going to say 10. So Sydney put in 10 and then hit enter. Her answer popped up. Click off that rectangle there, Sydney. So her answer was 10. It popped up. Now, there's different things I can do with this answer. We can make this answer bigger because my eyes aren't very good. I need a big number. So Sydney, double click on that again. Now, you notice it's highlighted. We can change the font. So, Sydney, go up to this font size where it says 14. Hit the little arrow. Change it to 30. It makes it bigger. Okay? You can do that on all of these. All right? All right, Sydney, go ahead and double-click on that 10 again, and let's delete it now. Hit delete. Okay? All right, now, you can also do some other things with this worksheet, guys. You can be creative with this worksheet. Even though I made it, you can do some other things to it. Now, click on the background here, Sydney. All right, now 2-finger tap on your mouse. And everybody else do this as well. Now you got to do it at the same time. Try it again. All right, just 1-finger tap. All right, now here it says background. If you 2-finger tap, you can change the background. Hit the background button. Now choose a color, Sydney. And everybody else can do this as well. It changes your background. You don't have to use that little checkerboard background. you can do whatever you want to with it. Okay, is that pretty cool?
It's pretty neat.
Pretty neat. Okay. All right. And there are some other things you can do with that. We're not going to be able to get into it right now. We're going to, waste a lot of our class time. Okay, so this is what I want you to do now. I want you to go back to your math folder. Sorry, go back to your mail. No, you're right. I'm sorry. I got it wrong. Go back to your math folder. Now on the left side, hit Module 3.
Oh, man.
I couldn't see it. I forgot it was there. Okay? So now you're going to go ahead, you're going to watch the video over symmetry, and then you're going to fill out the worksheet on your drive. Okay? And then once you fill that out, I'm going to show you how to submit it to me. So go ahead and click on the video. You can use your headphones, yes. And then go ahead and watch the video. Now, Sydney, stop yours real quick. Pause it. So here in a minute, you're down here at number 4. It says now you're going to watch another video over transformations, and you're going to use the frame, the symmetry frame that I made up. So from here, Katie, or let's do this. You're going to click on the symmetry frame link, Katie, and it's going to bring up your frame. Now, because it says view only, what are you going to have to do?
Go to file.
You're going to have to make a copy of it, right? You're going to have to make your own copy. So we're going to go to file, go to make a copy. Now here we're going to take off copy of, and we're going to put our initials or our name, right? So it belongs to you now. So Katie, go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to hit OK. She can learn how to spell her own name. And now she has the frame. Now, the title of this, Katie can double click on the title here, and she can write in transformations, because that's what this is going to be over. And she can capitalize it, lowercase it, she can make it bigger, make it smaller, she can change the background just like you did on the other one, whatever she wants to do. Okay?
That's bigger.
Yes.
They won't let me make a copy.
Okay, if she wants to make transformations bigger, she can highlight it or double click on it. And it should be highlighted. She can go up to the font, make it bigger, smaller. She can change the colors right here, change the color of the words if she wants to. She can click on the space over here, Katie, double click with 2 fingers, change the background, anything she wants to do to make it better. This frame here, this is your notes. You do what you want to it. You can be creative. Whatever you've got to do to it to help you remember the lesson, I want you to do it. Now I want to show you guys how to submit this, because you're going to have to do this whenever you're submitting something to me, like this worksheet or a presentation. If we do a presentation on the Google presentation, you're going to have to submit it to me. So what you're going to do, over here, you can't see it on this screen, but over to the right is the blue share button on the right top corner. Go ahead and push that button. Brian, go ahead. All right, it's going to load, and you're going to get the share settings to come up. Now we need to change this one of the settings where it says change right here. Go ahead and click on change, and you're going to have some options here. We want to change it to people at Harrisburg School District with the link. So click that, and then click save. Yes.
Wait, we'll share it with you too, right?
That is going to be with me. That's going to be me. Okay. So now, here's what you're going to do now. If your link up here is not highlighted, you need to highlight it. Okay. If it is highlighted, you need to copy it. So don't hold down the command button and push C. That's going to copy it. Command C. Okay. Hit done.
Command V?
No, just hit done at the bottom. Okay. Now you need to go back to your math folder. Open up your math folder. Okay, and on the left side, click on Module 3. Okay, everybody here? Okay. Okay. Right here it says click here to submit your worksheet. So you're going to click on here, and you're going to get this symmetry turn-in sheet. Now, in this box, you're going to paste your link.
It says Module 2.
Module 3. Okay, you're going to paste your link right here. So you're going to hit Command V, as in violin, Command V, and it's going to paste your link. And then you're going to hit Submit. Now you have shared your worksheet, and I can grade it now on my computer. Okay? So now you can X out of this. It says your response has been recorded. You can X out of that tab. And now you can go on to your next assignment for today's work. And guys, here's the next one. If you get confused, you don't remember what I just showed you, here are the directions for turning it in, for submitting it right here. Okay, it's in your assignment for today. All right, so if you forget it, it's there. All right, so now go down to the fourth thing we're going to do today. Watch the other video and use that symmetry frame to take your notes on.